Hi, welcome back to Margaret Country Crafts and Miniatures. Today I'm going to show you one of my did it myself miniature Christmas scene. Yes, I did this back in, I think, 2020. It's been a couple of years, but it's a piece that I always put out every year. In case I haven't mentioned, my name is Catherine. This is Margaret Country Crafts and Minis. And thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. Please subscribe. So getting into it, I'm going to take you through this miniature scene that I created years ago. Some of it is bought, some of it is revamped, some of it is painted, some of it is glued. So our first stop on this tour is the driveway. This driveway I made from gravel sand that's used for aquariums. I got it from Dollar Tree. The mini presents, I made those custom myself using cardstock. And for the bows that are on top of each one, I used just a little piece of pipe cleaner. Next up is these little mini planters on either side of the entrance of the driveway. I picked off some of the greenery of the faux trees that I had along the driveway, and I just placed them into the two planters. Next up is this miniature dog. I used to have a dog, a big black German Shepherd named Jack, and this was in honor of him. I found it was a little fox miniature from a miniature store nearby, and I painted it all black, and I think it looks just like him. And then we kind of have a view of the corner here of the house and the little garage as well. The deck in the back is made from popsicle sticks. I made that custom, along with the garage as well. The garage I made custom. And the main house, I used a birdhouse as the base. We have a little wreath that I made out of pipe cleaners and just some of the little beads that are from Dollar Tree. The walls of the house and the garage are made from a faux stone tile that came from Dollarama. Dollarama used to sell these pretty frequently, and then they just stopped for some reason. And I was sad because it became my new favorite material to use for miniature homes. So I hand cut them into little squares. And then for the shingles of the house and the garage, I used nail files, because nail files kind of have that rough texture on top of them. So I cut those down into small squares as well, so that they would look like roof shingles. And you may be wondering how this whole thing is lit up. Well, lots of battery packs. I glued down all of the fairy lights to their respective pieces, like the house and the garage and the tree. And I tucked the battery packs underneath the wooden canvas that I sat my whole miniature scene on. The wooden canvas was perfect because it did give that little space underneath where I could tuck all the battery packs under there. And I had a metal tray under there as well, so I could attach magnets to the battery packs in hopes that they would stick up under there. And all those little mini candy canes, I made those custom out of clay, air-dried clay, and then I painted them red and white. They were pretty simple. And then heading back down the driveway, we just have a view of all the faux trees. Most of the faux trees, the taller ones, are from the Department 56 miniature kit. Nope, I'm wrong. They were the Michael's Craft Store brand. The garage here is also made from faux tile, but specifically the garage door is a metal faux tile from Dollarama, which Dollarama used to sell and they no longer do, and I'm sad. And then this mini wreath I made from one of the trees, and I just took off the faux greenery off of it and put it on top of a pipe cleaner. The little lamp I got from a local miniature store. I poked a hole in the back of it to feed in some of the fairy lights that were strung on the garage and one of the Department 56 trees, I believe. I decorated them with pipe cleaners and little vase filler from Dollar Tree. They're little sparkly foam balls. The mini Santa and snowman and sleigh, those are all from Dollar Tree's little miniature selection that they come out with every year. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of my little miniature Christmas scene. Make sure you comment down below and watch my previous video where I did 4 unique holiday decor crafts. Bye bye!